Thing's loud, right?
A little loud.
Yeah, let's make sure that water pump's working, James.
Oh, it felt like it was working.
Alright. It's on right now. Can you hear
I
it?
think Tony, whenever
Yeah.
he ripped it, Tony didn't have his ears.
Okay, cool. I just wanted to double check. Alright, guys. Everything seems to be working like we want it to. It does take a long time to get temperature into this thing. We're screaming at each other to try and talk. It's running on every single cylinder. We're just freaking trying to figure this thing out.
There, you gotta like